Hello everybody, today we're going to be making banana almond flour muffins with Chef Renata, who is my aunt and who also has a channel of her own for teaching kids how to speak Arabic, and honestly anybody how to speak Arabic in a very simple and concise way. She drops daily videos all the time on Instagram and TikTok, so please go ahead and take a look if you're interested, because I've definitely been following it and I think my Arabic has gotten so much better in such a little time, because it's just super quick. So with the short attention span of kids these days, including myself, I find it to be very convenient. Anyways though, she gave us this wonderful recipe today, and you're just going to start off with your wet ingredients and then your dry ingredients. So you got some banana, egg, baking soda, vanilla, and some salt. And then you're gonna go ahead and blend that up. And another cool thing about this recipe is that it is completely gluten-free. And honestly, although it is gluten-free, the texture is not so different than a normal muffin, which is really cool, because usually the discrepancy from gluten-free and non-gluten-free food is just the texture because of the flour. But in this case, I think it turned out really good. And yes, so we're going to be replacing normal flour with almond flour instead. By the way, do you guys say almond or almond? Because I think that's the question of the century, truly. And caramel or caramel, those two. And then also some cinnamon, as I like to say. And I've mentioned this in the past, and I don't know if you caught it, but I purposefully misspelled synonym on the labels because I thought it was funny, and I did that for a couple of other things too, so if you guys can catch those, that'd be funny. I don't think my mom knows, so don't tell her. I guess she'll watch this video and she'll realize it, but let's just pretend as if it's a secret, and let's see how many of the misspelled labels you can catch. But anyways, once you're done blending that up with the dry ingredients, you're just gonna go ahead and scoop like about 2 scoops of an ice cream scoop into a muffin tray. And these are quote-unquote healthy chocolate chips, which basically means they don't have any sugar in them. Guys, you don't need to be this healthy. You can just go ahead and use sugar. No one's watching you like an eagle except for my mom, but I'll give you the pass. But honestly, like the difference is so minimal because all we're looking for is the chocolatey taste, and these are sweet anyways, so and then stick them in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the round part becomes nice and crispy. And now we are ready to serve or eat, I guess. And they rated them 10 out of 10. Happy meter. But that's it. We hope you guys enjoy these almond flour banana muffins and that they taste super good for you and for your gluten-free dessert day. Happy muffining! Happy muffining! Bye!